So I got my 2013 WK2 Jeep Grand Cherokee. I'm going to be putting in some rough country overland tow hooks. As you can see, I've removed the lower fascia. I got it right here. I got a video right there if you want to see how I got that off and be able to see me put it back on. But today it's about these bad boys. Got these off of Amazon for $100. I'll put a link to it down below in the comments. So here we go. Couple tow hooks from rough country. This is what you get. You buy it off of Amazon. Got the screws here. Got some instructions. Well, the front page looks really good. It's a little sparse inside in terms of step-by-step instructions, but it seems pretty straightforward. So I don't think it'll be too much of a challenge figuring this out. So let's get to it. Okay, so I got one in, and I just wanted to show you all where you're going to be putting these things. So if I go down here and you look, there's a channel right here that it's going to be going into, and there's two screw holes that the bolts are going to go into. So I'm going to put the tow hook right in here, put these bolts in, tighten it down to the right torque, and then we're good to go. If you go over here, it's a little tight to get the bolts in there, but as you can see, it's in there nice and good. Got my bolts in, and that's it. So let's get the other one on, and I'll show it to you. So one little tricky bit I wanted to show you all. So you can see I've gotten it on here pretty good. It was easy to get a socket on this bolt right here. This one in the back I was able to hand tighten to a point, but now this reservoir is in the way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to loosen this up, this little shield here, and then I'll be able to get behind this reservoir, get a ratchet on that back bolt, tighten it down. I'm hoping that I don't have to remove this whole reservoir. I've seen other people who have removed this reservoir. I'm a little bit too lazy for that, so let's try removing this shield, see if we can get back there and tighten it up. And here they are installed, the rough country tow hooks that I bought off of Amazon. I think they came out looking really great. As you could see in the video, it's a pretty easy install. It's just two screws. The hard part is the logistics of how you get in there, but it can be done. And then being able to tighten them down to the proper torque. But for $100 off of Amazon, they look really good, and I'm looking forward to being able to try them out on the trail. And I think tow hooks are kind of those things that if you have them and don't need them, that's great. But if you need them and don't have them, then you're really in trouble. So I hope everybody found this useful, found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe and check out some of my other videos.